Another day, another dollar, baby. Oat milk latte to get the day going. Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting here uploading my Vlogmas for today and just like reviewing everything because I'm gonna go to SoulCycle in 1 hour and drinking my oat milk latte to prepare. I ate a lot of food last night, so I'm not gonna eat breakfast or anything. I'm just gonna go on an empty stomach, but with the oat milk latte, and all my clothes are drying. Ready for Soul. I just tied my hair back. I can show you guys the set that I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Don't Text sweatshirt. You guys can always get it. I always have Gals on the Go merch link below. This is a size XL. A bunch of people ask what size I wear. I wear either a large or an XL. I've been really liking the XL lately just because it goes a little bit longer, covers my butt. Not that I really care, but it's just like cozy. And then I'll throw my jacket on top because I have to walk from where I park. And then this set is from SoulCycle itself. I wear a medium bottom and a large in the sports bra, if you guys were wondering. My stomach is V-bloated. What else was I about to say? I am gonna go to Soul, and then right from there, I think I'm gonna go either to Target or somewhere, because I have to run errands. I need like paper towels, which I should have ordered from like Amazon or somewhere, but I need paper towels. I'm also working with Stella Artois, which is like the beer company that I've worked with them before. And I'm working with them again, which is exciting because I'm gonna get some beer for like a pregame or something tomorrow or this weekend. I have like a list of just general like shopping I need to do. Tomorrow is SantaCon. Oh, I don't have Santa hats. That's another thing. I ordered them from Amazon. They're not gonna be here in time, so I'm gonna return those, pick up some from like Target or somewhere. You guys saw, I mean, Shane and I we went to that place called the Garment District. I should have just bought the Santa hats there, but I was like, no worries, like I'll order them on Amazon. They're not coming in time. But SantaCon's tomorrow and I'm really excited. That will be like a separate video. I'm physically running because I'm like, I don't know how I made it. I'm late to everything, you guys, literally. Finished up Soul, baby. I just left Soul. That was a really, really good class. 9:30, so now it's like, what time is it now? Probably a little before 11. It's Natty B in the wild. Just left Soul. I don't know what to do with my hair. It is just so bad right now, but it was fun and like everyone was there. A good class, but now I have holy me, okay. But now I have a lot of tasks to do, just like errands wise. Danielle is ill right now, so I am going to record the rest of the ads for Gals on the Go this week, which does not take much time at all, and I actually enjoy reading the ads. I think it's fun, which I know is like unpopular. I just got a cappuccino to validate my parking, but we're gonna run to Target because I have to get paper towels, Santa hats. It's like the most random shopping list ever. And what else? Maybe an ugly sweater for tomorrow for SantaCon, perhaps, or I'll just wear all black. I have a package waiting for me though, and I don't know what it is. I'm hoping that it's my Princess Polly order because I really need those shoes for this weekend. You know when you order stuff online and then you like start planning outfits around it and then it doesn't come in? That's where I'm at. All right, also another PSA. Also, I vlog when I'm stopped at lights. Someone was like, don't vlog and drive. I vlog when I'm stopped. Did you guys see I just pulled my hair out and I look like George Washington? My top songs of 2019 playlist is just unmatched, truly. It's a lot of EDM and like a little bit of rap and some like in your feels music in there, and I just would highly encourage you guys to go listen to it. If you don't follow me on Spotify, you should. All right, now I'm gonna stop vlogging because I'm driving, so that's what I do. We're here at Target. I think I said I need paper towels. I'm gonna get some Santa hats for SantaCon / see if they have outfits. Like, what do you even wear? I looked up the outfits and some people go all out and they're dressed like Santa, and some people just wear like a hat and like all black. So I don't know what to do. Ooh, look at all the candy. Oh my gosh, socks. I think this is like a necklace. You guys, this is the only selection there. But the Somerville Target is definitely not my fave. Sorry, no shade, but it's just like not the best one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I spilt my cappuccino on my don't text, but I think I'll be able to get it out. How cute. Look at all this gift ideas. I want to get snacks because I think tomorrow before the SantaCon, I'm gonna have some friends over, but I don't know what kind to get. I was gonna go to Trader Joe's, but that's just like out of the way for where I am right now. So I showed you guys me grocery shopping, but this is the haul. I spent $30 something, I feel like, on all of these snacks, which is reasonable. And my friends all Venmo and we like figure it out or whatever. Well, actually I'm hosting, so probably not, but you know how it goes. Like, I feel like when you pregame in someone's house, it's nice if there's snacks and stuff. So this is all for tomorrow, actually. So I got, okay, and a lot of you guys are saying you want a cheese plate video, which I totally could do, but I want to do it when I do like an epic cheese board and not just like this. But I will say these are my 3 favorite cheeses currently to get. I just get a regular brie. This is just like a slice of it. The Presidente brie, the one that comes in like a circle, is really good too, but I just figured that one looked good. I get white cheddar, and then I always get manchego. I love it. I try to do a mix of like some soft cheeses. I usually do a cheddar, and then I do like a funky one, which would be like a manchego, or you could do something else, like a blue cheese or a goat cheese could be cool. I don't know. Cracker wise, I really like some cracked pepper ones, and then I wanted to try these out. These are like sesame flatbread ones, which looked good. You can kind of break them up and put them on the cheese plate. I know it's good to do like a vegetable or like grapes or something to switch it up, but I did not get that. But I feel like my friends that are coming tomorrow, it's like we can do simple. And then I got chips and salsa to have, and then I think with the crackers or with something else, the spinach dip looked really good. And then I got Stella for tomorrow too, just a 6-pack. I have a lot of alcohol in my fridge right now, so I figured this was good. And then my friends will Venmo me back for these too, but I got Santa hats, and this is like a fun necklace that I thought I could wear. I'm probably gonna just do all black and then wear the necklace. If I wear this, I don't know, it might look goofy AF, we'll see. But the Santa hats were $3 each I got them at Rite Aid actually. And then I went to Star Market for all of these groceries, which is like a grocery store here. I feel so dirty because I haven't showered since Seoul. I should have just showered there, honestly, if I knew I was gonna be out running errands all day. But I think I'm done with the errands for now. I'm going to eat, and then I'm gonna record ads for Gals on the Go because I am freaking hungry. It's like 12:30 and I didn't eat yet today, so I'm like starting to get the shakes. So I'm gonna whip up some avocado toast with an egg on top. Don't mean to flex on y'all, but I think this might be my best work. It's Dave's Killer Bread, 1 teeny tiny avocado, arugula, and then an egg on each, and then I just ate some fruit too. Wow, I'm so hungry. This episode is brought to you by Cash App. We are so excited to be working with Cash App on Gals on the Go this season, you guys. Just showered in my Talentless sweatpants and my Vlogmas sweatshirt. I would have worn the Talentless sweatshirt too, but I didn't feel like wearing a hoodie right now. I was just like crew neck vibe. I'm gonna go downstairs and pick up my package. I think I know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's my new iPhone, which I did end up ordering. I'm the worst, you guys. I sent a video like a few weeks ago. I was like, I'm not gonna get the new iPhone because I don't know, I was making up these reasons, but I found a way that I could get it, and then I just pay for it, and then I'll be able to get off my parents' plan in a few months. So I was just like, I need it. I really wanted the upgrade, so I just bought it myself. I also quickly wanted to say kind of an apology to my Talentless video went up today, like with the sweatpants and stuff, which has a giveaway, by the way. So if you want, 3 people are gonna win sweatpants, which not sponsored, not like paid to say this. But I think I pissed some people off a little bit because I made a comment, which I definitely should not made, and this was like so dumb of me, that they're like affordable, and they're definitely not affordable by any means. I just meant like comparable to other like designer sweatpants and stuff like that. Like it's just like a premium sweatpant, and they're very expensive. I'm not gonna lie, like they're like I would never call them affordable, straight up. I do have, like I mentioned that I have a discount code, so like that brings it down, but I just wanted to apologize. And I'm not perfect. Sometimes I say things that are wrong, and I wanted to just like I'm trying this new thing where I own up to my actions instead of being like, oh, everybody's annoying and rude, which is like, I always play the victim. So I'm trying this new thing where I actually own up to my actions, and that's me admitting that I made a mistake. I'm so excited. So I got it in the rose gold color. I haven't gotten a new phone in a minute. It's probably been like, I think it's been a year and a half, maybe 2 years since I have a 8 Plus right now. I love my case from Casetify. I just ordered one last night. I used my own promo code, you guys. I literally went on, used my own promo code, like my link, casetify.com/brookemicciobusiness. No, I don't like get paid if you use that. I just like straight up used it myself to get 20% off a case for this phone because I don't have a case for it now. I actually did just get like a clear case with it, but I don't like those. I feel like they don't have any support, and the Casetify ones actually do. So yeah, let's unbox this though. So this is my old phone. This is the 8 that I'm gonna leave over there charging. Ooh, it's starting to snow outside too right now. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. I'm so excited. Sorry for my washer going. I know you guys comment it's always going, and it is truly always going. Oh, look at that tri-photo lens. I'm actually like a really big tech gal. I swear I am. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it. Comes with headphones. And then there actually is a new USB thing, I know, because I saw Shane got this phone and he showed it to me. And it plugs in. This is really cool. Let's turn it on. I think I just can plug my new SIM card in too, so that's really cool. Wait, do I have to hold like multiple buttons? This is so legit. Wow. It's so pretty. Like just the detailing and everything on it, like you could just tell that they really like leveled up. Do I have to hold these 2 buttons at once? Do you guys know how that works? Yeah, that's it. So I don't know what the deal is if I have to use this charger now, or if this is just like the better charger to use with it. I'm kind of confused. Hopefully I could just plug my SIM card in and have everything restore. And if you guys were wondering, which I doubt you were, I get the one with 258 gigabytes of storage because I have a lot of photos and stuff. I mean, that's like literally, I hate to be like that, but like that's my job, is photos and like Instagram and stuff. So yeah, but I also pay extra every single month for more iCloud storage. I have like 1 terabyte of iCloud storage, which I use across all of my Apple devices. So that's my tech secrets. My hair kind of air dried nicely today. This is the problem with curly hair, is that sometimes it air dries like fantastic, and then sometimes it's like not. So I don't know. Anyways, I just got into like a weird mood, and I think it's because like I've been trying to pinpoint when my mood switches, like what it's because of, because I think that's a really good thing to start doing when I notice myself getting down or whatever. And it's because I was watching videos on YouTube of like couples and like comparing myself and comparing my life, and I just need to not do that. Do you guys ever do that where you're like watch someone else and you compare yourself and you're like, wow, I'm not good enough, or my life isn't the same way, and you get sad, but then you just have to realize that you're doing a great job, and your life is supposed to look like, they said it actually in our soul cycle class today, like your ride, LOL, or your life is supposed to look like yours and not like anybody else's. And I mean, I know that's especially true for me because my life is messy, but we make it through. Under this one eye, it's still so red. Okay, so I like got, not dressed, but I put on these hoops from Ana Luisa, which are so cute. I love them. I got this new bracelet from Ana Luisa too. They have very cute jewelry, and it's not, I don't want to say it's affordable because it's not necessarily, but it's not too expensive for real gold jewelry. Sorry, my friend's texting me. I'm wearing this bodysuit from Maurizia, which is really cute. I was actually just watching Remy's vlog, and she pulled out this bodysuit, and I was like, wait, I have that bodysuit. I'm gonna wear it tonight. I needed outfit inspo anyways, and I'm trying to determine what to do because my friends are going out, like some of my friends I used to work with are going out tonight, but they're not doing that till later. But then Gretchen was like, come over and like watch a movie in PJs at like 7. But if I'm going out, like, should I get ready first? Should I even go to Gretchen's? Is it a waste of time to go over there and like watch a movie? Because then I'm probably not gonna want to go out. You know, when you like are like, oh, I'll just chill for a while, and then you're just like, nah, like I'm not actually gonna go out. But I feel like I should go out and socialize with my friends. I don't know what to do. I'm like torn. I know if this is the hardest decision of my day, I'm doing pretty well, but like, yeah, it's good. At least I have multiple social offerings that like never happen. I am heading out. This is my outfit. I'm gonna wear my leather jacket over it. But the bodysuit is from Aritzia. I really like it actually. It's very supportive. If I can link it, I will try to link it. I want to get in more colors. I'm wearing a large. Jeans are Levi's. They kind of shrunk in the wash. They used to be like a baggier fit. No, they're just not. And then these shoes. Honestly, it looks better with the jacket. Let me put the jacket on. Yeah, it looks way better with the jacket on. It just like completes everything. It makes it look more finished. And then, yeah, I could have worn tight jeans, I guess, but like the looser fit's just more my vibe. And then I have my Gucci bag, which I'll wear as a crossbody, I think. But I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog here because I want to get it up for you guys and I just don't want to really vlog tonight. So yeah. I also just went live on Instagram. I haven't done that in like probably a full year. So go follow me on Instagram. That was super fun and you guys are so like kind. It was really fun. I've just been drinking a claw and I'm gonna go meet my friends out in Fenway. So I'll talk to you guys all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.